welcome back. This is my 1965 Mustang Fastback with a T56 6-speed. And although this Viper spec model is known to be extremely strong, they are also known for their hard shifting. So when shifting between 3 and 4 and back to 3 became more and more difficult, it seemed a good time to get it freshened up. In this video, I'm going to show you the choices I made with my transmission, what you need to know if you're going to put one of these transmissions into an old Mustang or Falcon, and finally, some testing at the track.
Alright, and I'm just going to have you sign right there where it says customer signature.
That should be good.
This is one of those eras that you just have to...
remember, it's so easy to do that, having covered the BMW M Endurance 4-hour. On the road, these three cars, despite them being in the different categories within GT, very okay for the rest of the race. But again, just thinking back to the issues for the Lamborghini, that's a mechanical drama that might keep repeating. Pit stop after pit stop, the 52 car, then it's Chris coming in the 73. But once more, GT cars really close to one another, heading back down towards.
So you're thinking about putting a T56 into your 1965 Mustang. Well, you should be prepared to do some modification. Most of those modifications are going to start at the back of the bell housing and work their way back as far as a tunnel and a support goes. Compared to a C4, a top loader, a TKX, or any other 5-speed, the T56 is monstrous. It's much, much bigger. So here's a tunnel in a 1964 Comet. It's a lot like a Mustang. From here to about here, you should be able to leave this area alone. But from here on back, this whole area is going to have to get taller, wider, and a little bit longer. In the back of the tunnel here, where the Falcon and Mustang are only about 10 inches at the floor, the T56 needs to be about 12 or maybe even a little wider. So a stock tunnel with a C4 or a top loader 4-speed goes back to about 24 inches deep, but with something like a T56, be prepared to go back as far as 32 to 33 inches deep.
So what, if any, options do you have when it comes to fabricating a new tunnel for a 6-speed in an old Mustang or Falcon? Well, the T56 came behind a lot of engines in Mustangs and Camaros. So I think the easiest route may be to go get one of the tunnels from one of those cars and then just graft it into my car. That's going to save me a lot of fabrication time, and the design was made to fit around that transmission.